Your pants pattern will include a fly facing and a fly shield or guard. These two pieces conceal the zipper, providing a neat finish and secure closure. The fly shield will come with one of two options: cut two or fold in half. The Rex and Dauphine have two pieces. Here I sewed the edge on the wrong side and then turned the piece right side out. On your fashion fabric, the raw edge can be serged for a neat inside finish. Both pieces can be interfaced if your fabric needs additional stability, but I would suggest a lightweight fusible only, as this area can get bulky with all the seam intersections. I also suggest creating a template of the fly facing before sewing by removing the seam allowance on one side only, as shown. To begin, place your fly facing right side to right side on your pants, lining up the edges. Sew using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Open your facing and fold your seam allowances towards this side. Run a stitch close to the seam to catch your allowances. When using a zipper here, I tend to size up to make sewing easier. The excess is trimmed once the inside seam of the waistband is attached. Zippers are often creased when removed from the packaging. Give it a quick press before sewing. Lay your zipper along the fly, lining the edge of the seam. Sew as shown on the fly side of the zipper, using a zipper foot if possible. This keeps the stitch close to the teeth. Fold your zipper and fly to the wrong side of the pants and pin. Pin your template along the edge. I like to use oak tag, which is firm but still pinable. Sew along the edge until you get close to the curved edge. Fold the outer tail up and under so it is not caught in the stitches. Slide your fly guard under the zipper, lining the piece up with the zipper edge. Fold and pin your fabric out of the way. Sew your zipper along the edge, attaching it to the guard. To attach your second leg, place a chalk mark on the zip to match the two halves. Fold the seam allowance on the right side under. Traditionally, we would use 5/8 of an inch, but I tend to keep it at a maximum of a 1/2 inch here. It makes the final step much easier, and it's such a minimal amount it won't affect the finished garment. Sew to the end of the zipper tails. To finish, fold the left seam over the right seam and pin well. Sew close to the edge. To finish, turn your pants to the wrong side and sew your facing to your guard around the curved area.